How to activate Avast SecureLine VPN for Mac. 1. Download and install the latest version of Avast SecureLine VPN for Mac from the Avast website. 2. Open the Avast SecureLine VPN user interface and click the Expandable Preferences tab on the right side of the main user interface. 3. Select Subscription Activate. 4. Enter your activation code into the text box and click Activate SecureLine. 5. Click OK to return to the main user interface. Your subscription for Avast SecureLine VPN is now activated on your Mac. For detailed instructions, refer to the following articles: Installing Avast SecureLine VPN on Mac and Activating Avast SecureLine VPN for Mac. Troubleshoot activation issues. In some cases, license synchronization may take up to 24 hours after purchase. If your license is still not active after this time, refer to the following article: Troubleshooting activation issues in Avast products.